All right, I'm going to show you how to make your phone read an article for you. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Accessibility. Then we're going to go to Spoken Content, right? Then we're going to turn on Speak Selection. We're going to turn on Screen. We're going to go to Speech Controller. We're going to click that. We're going to hit that. How's that grab you? All right, let's go back. Let's get out of this. Let's click there. And let's stop that. Now let's minimize that. Let's go to here. All right, now let's just go ahead and click this and play.
Apple News, April 28th. Top stories, The Wall Street Journal, 14 minutes ago, Brett Forrest. Ukraine brings first war crimes charges against Russian soldiers in Bucha. After the Russian military retreated, Ukrainian authorities said they discovered more than 400 dead civilians
on your phone. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff. Parish out.